Spin mops are unique because they are fast absorbing and usually come with a centrifuge to wring out excess water, so you can focus on cleaning the mess at hand rather than your mop head. Additionally, they are convenient as many are equipped with easy-to-replace mop heads which save users time and effort. 1. Cedar RinseClean Spin Mop for an effective, reasonably priced, and easy-to-use spin mop with a machine-washable head. You can't go wrong with the classic Cedar Easy Ring RinseClean Spin Mop system. The handle adjusts in height from 35 to 51 inches, and the bucket has a two-tank system, one for continuously refilling fresh water from the outer bucket, and the other with a hands-free spinning wringer powered by a foot pedal to keep the mop head clean and dry. The triangle-shaped base of the mop head also makes it easy to maneuver and get into tight corners. We especially loved that this mop could remove stains with minimal effort and that the mop head requires little effort to remove and replace. The mop head is made of highly absorbent microfiber, so you can mop and wipe away stains for a while before having to wring it out. 2. Have an Spin Mop with the right accessories. A spin mop can be used for more than just cleaning floors. The Habenack Spin Mop and Bucket with Wringer set comes with two microfiber mop heads, which can be used for sweeping and wet mopping, and a scrub brush for more difficult cleaning jobs. The soft microfiber mop heads can be used on all hard flooring types, including wood, laminate, and vinyl, and the scrubber brush is ideal for durable flooring like tile. Along with its multi-purpose use, this spin mop has several convenient features. It has both a spin washer and a hand-pumped stainless steel spin bucket to drain the mop. A splash guard keeps dirty water contained, and when you're done mopping, just drain the bucket using the drain plug. 3. Hurricane Spin Mop. Not only do we deem the Hurricane Spin Mop easy to clean, but it is also very easy to set up and use. It was able to completely absorb the 1/4 cup of water in just 2 passes without any streaks or scratches occurring. When it came to the other liquid stains, this mop was able to clean them in less than 5 passes. However, we did run into some difficulty when it came to the solid stains. Although a similar thing occurred on the grout tile floor, the mop appeared to be less effective on that surface compared to the hardwood. The foot pedal worked well to remove any excess water as well as some solid pieces that were picked up. We didn't notice any water spill out as we used the foot pedal, which was a plus. When we machine washed the mop head, about 85% of the stains came out. 4. Spin Mop and Bucket Set. The Spin Mop is everything a cleaning tool should be. It excels on most flooring types, cleaning up both wet and dry messes with ease, and it comes with an intuitive bucket that wrings out the head for you. The flat mop was able to clean up fruit punch, barbecue sauce, damp soil, and dry paprika thoroughly and all without requiring too much effort. We also found that the swivel connection between the handle and the mop head made it very easy to navigate around obstacles and into tight areas. This mop comes with free washable, microfiber pads that can be used wet or dry. The unique bucket has 2 compartments, one for your water and soap, and one for wringing it out. The microfiber pads attach via Velcro, and we loved that this was easy to set up and extremely low maintenance. 5. Bissell SpinWave Pet Hard Floor Spin Mop. The Bissell SpinWave is an electric spin mop with an on-demand spray button. It comes with 2 trial-size bottles of the Bissell Multi-Surface Pet Formula and 2 sets of microfiber mop pads, a set of soft touch pads for everyday messes and a set of scrubby pads for sticky floors. This mop offers a gentle cleaning solution for those who don't want to deal with buckets of dirty water or who have trouble removing the mop heads from regular spin mops. It's safe for all sealed hard floors, including tile, vinyl, linoleum, and hardwoods. We found the SpinWave to be very efficient. It was gentle, easy to use, and left the floor clean and streak-free. The mop pads extend past the side of the plastic mop head, allowing them to clean against baseboards, doors, and other obstructions.